some respite yesterday, especially during the day. Heavy rain started lashing Mumbai last night. Right now we are in Mumbai Santa Cruz area. We are outside the Air India colony and this entire stretch, especially the entire road which goes towards the CST road, this is waterlogged, and the situation is much worse in other low-lying areas in the city, whether it's Science Circle, Gandhi Market, Hindmata, Parel, Dadar, parts of Govandi and Mankhurd, parts of Borivali, Andheri. All these areas are waterlogged. Because of waterlogging, Andheri subway has been closed for vehicular movement. Traffic has been diverted. There are other routes also where traffic has been diverted in the morning. It started with Kalanagar. The first diversion was at Kalanagar. Other than that, parts of Chembur and Govandi also saw multiple traffic diversions. Traffic jam, especially on the Western Express Highway, started bothering Mumbaikars early in the morning. In fact, as early as 6 in the morning. Now, this heavy rainfall has also taken a toll on the local railway services. Though the Central and Western Railways are claiming that their trains are running on time, but the passengers, the commuters have been telling us that the train services on both the lines are running 20 to 30 minutes behind the schedule. Now, there's only one silver lining in this particular cloud, that out of 7 lakes which supply drinking water to Mumbai, 4 have started overflowing. 4th one is the Modak Sagar. So now Tulsi, Tansa, Vihar and Modak Sagar, these 4 lakes are overflowing. The water levels are 66%, slightly above 66% for all these 7 lakes, slightly better than what it was last year, but still a long way to go. So there is some respite for Mumbaikars as far as the drinking water availability is concerned, but the traffic situation continues to remain a problem in the city. Now let's talk about what's happening in the rest of the Maharashtra. So Pune is that one area which is witnessing heavy rainfall for the last few days. Now that has actually led to massive waterlogging, and areas like Simbhad Road, Varje, all these areas, water has entered housing societies. Other than Pune, parts of Raigad are also witnessing heavy rainfall, Navi Mumbai included. So it's not just Mumbai, the entire Mumbai metropolitan region, Thane, Kalyan, Ulhasnagar, Mumbai, Navi Mumbai, all these areas are witnessing heavy rainfall that has led to massive waterlogging. Ulhas River and Kalu River have also started overflowing. Now Central Railway, as I said, the services on Central and Western Railway trains are running behind schedule. How exactly the state machinery is taking care of the situation? So state machinery, NDRF and SDRF have deployed multiple teams in these areas. There are 5 teams of NDRF which are deployed in Mumbai. 3 of them are in Pune. In fact, rescue operations are underway in Pune because of massive waterlogging. There is one landslide also that's reported in Lavasa city, around 60 kilometers from the Pune city. So NDRF team is there, one NDRF team is there, and search and rescue operation is underway in Lavasa city. Other than that, there are NDRF teams in Nagpur. There is an SDRF team in Dhule, one in Nagpur as well. Other than that, parts of Raigad, NDRF has deployed multiple teams at multiple locations in Raigad as well. What is IMD saying and what is the alert? So for the next 3 hours, IMD has issued a red alert for Mumbai, Thane, Palghar, Raigad, Pune and Satara. But as far as IMD's district warning for today was concerned, it was yellow. But the heavy rainfall, the heavy rainfall these areas are witnessing since yesterday, since last night especially, clearly indicate that as far as IMD's district warning was concerned, they were way off, because as per their district warning, it was only supposed to rain moderately in the city and heavy to very heavy rainfall in isolated pockets. That clearly is not the case. The entire region, the entire Mumbai metropolitan region has been witnessing heavy rainfall especially since last night. Now that particular district warning is likely to be updated by IMD soon, but the rainfall continues to trouble Mumbai metropolitan region and other parts of Maharashtra like Pune, Satara. In fact, last week Nagpur was witnessing heavy rainfall. 3 deaths have been reported in the Pune region because of due to electrocuting. Talking about Mumbai, incidents of tree uprooting have also been reported since morning. Multiple pockets of traffic jam are also there, especially the newly opened coastal road. That region is also witnessing a traffic jam. The traffic movement is slow on the Eastern Express Highway as well, and the situation is likely to continue to remain like this for the next few hours at least. In Mumbai, with camera person Vijay Anand, this is Santya for CNBC TV 18.